Hey, it's October 14th and the new goodies have arrived. Let's tap into this box and see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, there's a heavy one. Alright. Got some ball joints. Do need those. Right there. I got a new king nut, castle nut for one of the axles. Did snap one. Two more ball joints. I got 4 ball joints. 4 ball joints altogether. Got some hardware. You know what this hardware is for? It's for these cover plates for the upper control arm. Just get some new hardware so it'll be all nice and shiny. Got some 3/8 Allen bolts. I'm guessing these go to the hubs. I'm guessing these are the hubs. Well, so yeah, I got 2 of these. That'd be the other one. What's this? Ah, the brake pads. I'll do it for that one. Alright, what else we got here? Judging by the shape of this box, I think this is that missing pin that I needed. That'd be it. Oh nice, it comes with the rubber bushings. And it's got bearings. They already replaced the bearings, so that's cool. Oh, they gave me another faceplate. More hardware. Nice. Yeah, I splurged a little bit. I went ahead and bought some Mini Sport 8.4 4-pot calipers. I figure while I'm at the front end of the car, I'm doing the steering knuckles and the steering. Should be doing the brakes too, why not, right? Ooh. Nice. Tends to happen with this kind of stuff. Every time I buy something, something's gonna be nicked or something. I think this is like a gunmetal finish I went with. I don't know, they have so many colors on there, I didn't know what to pick. See how this one looks. Maybe this one's finished too. This one's not bad. What is this though, right there? Ah, okay. Thought it was a scratch. Nice. Last but not least, the rotors. So I got some vented rotors, 8.4 discs. I figure I'm gonna need some good stopping power for this car because it's gonna move like a rocket. Cool. Nice. Cool, so yeah, I bought all these stuff I'm gonna need for the car eventually. I just thought it'd be a good time to buy it all now. Got the pin, so that's the main thing I was really needed. And while I was in like that department, I figured why not just get the brakes and whatnot. The one that I didn't get, I didn't realize this now till now, but I need the brake fittings or the brake lines. They're not crucial at this point. I can get those whenever. But since I did the knuckle operation, I haven't checked to see if these fit. And these are kind of wide, so I mean, I guess now's a good time, better than never, to see if they fit. Hard to see, but it looks like it's hitting between here and here. So it's gonna limit to how much I can turn this. See it hitting right there? You know what I'm gonna end up doing, don't you? You know I'm gonna take the angle grinder over here and make some clearance. So this is like basically a big block of steel. I can probably shave into it a little bit just to get a little bit more clearance because I don't really want that hitting. Yeah, that's not gonna do it for me. And I really don't want to grind into the caliper. But also I'm not scared to grind it into the caliper if I have to, just to get a little more turning out of it. Or I could live with it, but let's face it, I'm not gonna live with that. It looks like the jack is stuck. There she is.